In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this drawing for the base subassembly. It's part of the Button Maker project, and it's going to have several features. A parts list, and the items are going to be identified with balloons. I'm going to start out by I always start out by first going to my projects and verifying that there's a check next to my Button Maker folder. Hit done. I'm going to create a new drawing. I'm going to start out by loading my base view. Select base, and I'm going to choose my base subassembly. Hit open. And you notice it's quite large. I'm going to change the scale to 1/2. I'm going to set it down there. Side view, top view, ISO view, right click, create. I'm going to go to annotate and insert a parts list. Select this icon here. I'm going to have these settings here. It's going to ask me to select a view. I'm going to select the front view. And hit OK. And I get this parts list. It's a table. I'm going to set it right there in the corner. Zooming in, you notice that there's it lists the item number, quantity, part number, which is something we're not using right now, and then the description. I can go ahead and edit these, the widths of these columns from here. I could, you notice that these move back and forth, so I could make this column more narrow. And what I'm trying to do is make my description field wider. Play with those. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and add my balloons to identify my parts. I'm going to select balloon. I'm going to point to my vertical support, to the edge of my vertical support. I'm going to click once, click a second time, and then right click and say continue. I'm going to point to my plate, click once, second time, place my balloon, right mouse button, hit continue. I'm going to add balloons to the rubber foot and the hardware that's used to attach the rubber foot. I'm going to select balloon, I'm going to point to the foot, click once, twice, right mouse button, continue. And hit escape to exit that command. I'm going to put my cursor over the balloon and right mouse button and select attach balloon from list. And I'm going to select this 832 screw. I'm going to put a check here in the box, hit OK, and notice it's there. And then I can move the balloon around. You could place it, I'm going to set it here on the side, and you click to locate the balloon. Now the last thing I want to do is identify this hex nut with the balloon. I'm going to select balloon again, point to the hex nut, click once, twice, right mouse button to continue. I want to annotate, I want to designate that there are actually 2 of these locations, and 2 of these, and 4 of those. I'm going to go to my text tool, point here. I get a text window, capital X space 2, OK. Point here, capital X space 2, OK. Point here. Capital X space 4. OK. And hit escape, exit out of that. And once if I zoom in, I could actually move this around a bit. And there's my drawing. You're going to want to save the file as subassembly drawing file name 8.1.p button maker base subassembly. And you're going to want to export it to PDF and submit it to LMS.